Hello, friends. Here are 5 ways for you to manipulate lists in Python. So, if you don't know what lists are, I will be linking it in the video description or adding it as a card. So let's see let's see code examples on how to manipulate a list. Okay, so let's say we have a list called fruits, and in the fruits we have apple, banana, and grape as the elements. Now, if you want to replace an element within this list, the best way to do it is by doing this. We call the name of the list, and then we target where we want to change. So let's say we want to replace banana in this list. And remember, in programming, we start counting from zero, and banana has has number one index. So for us to change that, we can just target the first one and we change that to cherry. And when we print this, we should be able to see that we've successfully changed banana to cherry. So this method is called indexing, and indexing lets you replace an element within the list with so much ease. Okay, so next up is slicing. So let's say you want to replace two elements in a list. Well, let's remove this and add more value here. Let's add dates. I don't really know much fruits. Okay, so let's say you want to replace grape. Okay, let's say you want to replace banana and grape through slicing. Here's a way that you can do this. Still have to call the name of the list, and then we are going to do this. 1 and 2. Let's say we want to replace it with mango and orange. So when we run this, we just replace banana with mango and we replace grape with orange. So this is how you can do slicing. It lets you update your list with new values. Now, the reason why we targeted 1 and 0, remember I said in programming we start counting from 0. So banana has the index 1, grape has the index 2. So we just changed so we just targeted the positions. Okay, so next method of list manipulation would be by using the append method. So let's say you want to add a particular fruit to this list of fruits. Let us remove this to this list of fruits. You can do this by using the append function, and all you just have to do is add the name of the fruit that you want to append. And when we run this, mango should be added to the mix, and it was. Oh, sorry, I definitely spelled mango wrongly. And mango has been added to this. So this lets you add a single item, that's one single item, into your list. Now, the fourth method I want to show is how to add multiple items into your list. So we are going to be looking at the senior brother of append, and it is called extend. So now when using extend, this is a good way for you to do it. You will need to create a new list that has the fruits or the values that you want to add into that your list. So orange, kiwi, mango, grape, dates, let's see. And now for you to do this is we have to call the first, that's the initial list. We do dot extend, and here and inside the brackets we add our new list of values of fruits that we want to add. When we run this, it should add this it should merge the two lists. So after the tomato you should see orange. So this is it: apple, banana, grape, dates, tomato, orange, kiwi, and the rest. So this is how you can add multiple values or multiple items in your list. Now, last but not the least, let's see how to sort through our list. And sorting comes in two different formats. So we can either sort ascending, yes. We can either sort through ascending order or descending order. A way that we can do this would be call the name of the list, and we're going to use the sort method. Let's clean up the terminal, and if we see this, we'll just be sorting this. So apple, banana, dates, grape, tomato. So this is going to be sorting it in alphabetical order. But let's say we want to do the reverse, to assort in descending order. The way that you can do this is by adding reverse here. We set reverse to true, and once we run this, it's going to start from the bottom. So it's going to be tomato, grape, dates, banana, and apple. So dear friends, these are the 5 ways that you can manipulate a list in Python. Remember, when dealing with list manipulations, these are 3 tips that I would love you to have at the back of your mind. First of all, always remember that lists are mutable in Python, which means they can be changed at any time, and you can change the value directly in the yes, you can change the values in the list. Second of all, you can use .copy method to copy the list before you can modify them. And last but not the least, indexing starts at 0. So be very careful when you're modifying your list, so you don't modify another element when you intend to modify another element. So there you have it, 5 awesome ways to modify lists in Python. So practice these techniques and you will definitely be a list manipulator master like I am in no time. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy coding. Oh, and before you go, drop a comment below with your favorite list modification technique that you definitely use. All right. Bye. I forgot to mention that in list manipulation, you can do exactly the same thing that I just showed you, the code examples. I showed you using strings. You can do the very same thing with numbers. So just wanted to put it out there and tell you that yes, you can do the same thing with numbers. Okay, bye.